Hello everyone, today will be my weekly video about Redbubble trending searches. So it will be a design ideas video. Yes, I find these ideas from Redbubble searches, but of course you can and should upload your designs not only to Redbubble but also on different print-on-demand platforms such as TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, Shy86, and others that you use, because the more different sales channel you have, the more profit you will get from your design too. And today will be a lot of trending designs that are connected with some holidays or some dates. Let's start with them. The first idea for today is with search "All I need is love and yoga and a dog." And of course it's more about St. Valentine's Day, but to be honest, this design can be sold good even any months of the year, because it's not 100% holiday design. It's also a design for a yoga lover, yoga and dog lover, because love is something very general that can be used any time of the year, and dogs, to be honest, too. Now it is not very competitive, 500 plus results. Of course, search volume will be higher before St. Valentine's Day, and each year it will grow in this period, but of course you can sell it another months too. And if we will look at search results, we can find a lot of vintage illustrations, retro illustration, or some yoga styled cute illustrations, and mostly they are not done in St. Valentine's Day stylization. Usually we can find a lot of red color, black, white, sometimes green color in St. Valentine's Day, but here we can see evergreen stilizations that can be useful any time of the year. And as for me, it is a good idea to make a design for this search in this way. I don't want to connect it with Valentine's Day holiday too much. And what I also add to this design, I will make two different variations. One will be with the same text, like here. For example, if I would like to make vintage design like here, I will make first one in this stylization, and the second one will be with a change. I will change dog to a cat, and also in the text I will change dog word to a cat word, and it will be two different designs for two different searches, one for dog lovers, yoga dog lovers, and the second one is for yoga cat lovers. And I think it will be not a lot of work for the second design, but it can be also new sales. And what I also want to do with these designs is about this dog or cat. They should be made like here, like a silhouette, or it should be some breed of dog and cat that is not specific. The best variant is to make an illustration of a dog without any breed, because if we will make here, for example, corgi, it will be a design that is situated for corgi lovers, and I don't want to do that, because the target audience will be not so wide as in variations without a specific breed. Another variant is to make a design without dog or cat illustrations at all, like here, with only this paw illustration, and it can be made too, but I like more to make design with cat or dog illustration. Okay, let's go to the next design idea, and it is about the concrete date. It is about Tuesday, Happy Tuesday, 3000 plus result, but here we can find not only designs about Happy Tuesday, we can also find some ideas about teaching on Tuesday, or maybe some Taco Tuesday, because it's about 22nd of February of 2022, and it's also Tuesday, the second day of the week, so a lot of tools here, and the name of this day is Tuesday. So as for me, it is also a variant of design, but I definitely need to make it as fast as possible, because I think that in 2 weeks there will not be any sales for these designs, because you also need to have a time to deliver this design, and after 22nd of February nobody will want to buy this design. But I will make some variations, something like here, something very simple, or maybe with some illustrations that I already have. I will not make anything that will be suitable only for this date, because it's too trendy and don't have any possibilities of sales after this day. So only some simple design, but I think that you can also make some sales, because it is a trendy variant right now. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one is about Kiss a Ginger Day. It's the same search, Kiss a Ginger Day, 400 plus results, so not very competitive right now. And to be honest, I never heard about this day, this holiday, before 2022. And this holiday already was this year. I think it on 12th of January, but maybe another date. And of course, I want to make some illustrations for next year. Maybe I will not do that exactly now, maybe in 5-7 months, but I want to remember this search phrase, because I think that with small competition it can be also sales next year, or in this year in December, to be honest. And I will definitely make several different illustrations. Some words about this day. It is a day when you need, if you want, of course, to kiss your ginger friend. And ginger is a word for red hat people. And of course, here we should illustrate something connected with that idea. It can be orange text, like here in this British lettered name in that way illustration, keep calm idea. It can also be made with a ginger illustration, like here. I like how it looks, and maybe I will also make some variation about gingerbread, ginger, and some orange keys, not yellow like here, but maybe orange. And I think it can look really good. You can also make some illustration of a ginger couple, but as for me, I don't like very much to make this variant of illustrations, because if you illustrate some guy or some girl, your potential customer need to like it, and it is not so easy in comparison with illustrations without any persons. So as for me, good ideas will be some illustrations with ginger, with lips, orange lips, and of course orange text. I don't think that I will add something else to this design idea. Okay, let's go to the next design idea, and it is search love is in the air, but so is COVID. So it's about pandemic, and this design was trendy last year. It was a good search in 2021, but this year also rise of search volume for this search phrase, but as for me, I think that good sales will be only this year. Maybe next year we can find also some sales with this design idea, and even if pandemic will be with us even 5 or 10 years from now, I don't think that this design idea will be so popular after 1 or 2 years, because it's not so interesting after time goes. But for today, for this year, I think that it's a good idea to make some illustration, maybe some illustration with the virus and some St. Valentine's Day illustration too. It's really a funny phrase, so it's a good idea to make some illustration, to create some design, and you can also get some sales with this search phrase as for now. So if you can illustrate it really fast, it will be a good idea too. Not my favorite idea from this video's idea, but it's okay for me too. Okay, let's go to the last idea for today, and it is a Valentine's Day idea too. My Valentine has polls, almost 1700 results as for now, and it is more competitive than a lot of different evergreen designs, but for holidays it's a good competition. And here we can find a lot of variations with dogs, some with dogs and cats too. Of course, you can make different variants. As for me, I will make at least 3 different stylizations. One will be with dog illustration, another with cat illustrations, and some with dog and cat illustration, and also will be a good idea to make some illustrations only with paws, without any dog or cat illustrations, with some hearts in red or maybe red and white colors, St. Valentine's Day colors, and it will be a good idea. I think I can also use an illustration of cat or a dog from this first search results from yoga and dog. It will be the same work for different designs, but it will be looking good on this search phrase too. So I will make them together, as I think, and upload them in one day. So there was 5 different design ideas for this week. Subscribe to this channel. This is my weekly video, and I wish you good sales. See you soon. Bye.